Hi guys, this is Lifeline, Relentless, and Cutie Bunny welcoming you in my creative lab. And today here's unpacking video. Legion is finally home. That was super quick, and I can't wait to open her. I was waiting for this moment since the day she was released. So I'm doing things extremely impatient. Yeah. Most exciting moment. Yes. As always, we start first with accessory box. Shouldn't be much there. Ah. I asked for many rings, and guys gave them to me. Even one black navy. Thank you so much. And this is super cool. Oh yeah. A perfect week. Oh my god. This color is amazing. Oh, this thing I wanted so much. Because Relentless has Generation 2 stand and it's not very ergonomic. Smart dog can't wait. This week I wanted so much. Okay. Accessories is cool, but Legion is cooler. Oh, the wolf is super cool. I already feel it. She's so beautiful. Welcome home, sweetheart. I don't know. She seems somehow frightened a little bit. She clicks. This is super cool. And this thing that I wanted so much for a smart doll to sit straight. Oh my god. I need her wig out of the box. This color is so freaking amazing. Soft as always. And color. Okay, I need my time to put the wig on. Okay, putting her wig on was extremely challenging. But she's so freaking beautiful. I love her freckles and her eyes. And she's so pale. Her skin tone is close to mine with a yellowish dot. And I love that with this stand she can stand up straight, and finally I can place a smart doll on my table because Relentless with her stand just took too much space. So she was sitting on my table most of the time, but now they can stand. So here they are, my moon and my sun together, finally. Thanks for watching and bye bye.